Hello students, how are you all? Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to our online class. Myself Shraddha Miss and I will teach you general knowledge. Okay. What did we learn in the previous lecture? Yes, we learned about our lesson number 5. Know your cities. Okay. Now, we will first solve our lesson number 5. If you have any doubt, then it will be clear. Okay? In first blank is cold and Iceland city. Mumbai. Mumbai is cold and Iceland city. Charminar is in Hyderabad. The Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur. Delhi is situated on the banks of the river. Next, Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. The Gateway of India is in Mumbai. The Rock Garden is in Chandigarh. Next, the Dal Lake is in Srinagar. The Jama Masjid is in Delhi. The Marina Beach is in Chennai. The Golden Temple is in Amritsar. The Brihadeshwara Temple is in Tanjore. Nainital is not a metropolitan city. Bengaluru is also known as the Garden City. So, lesson number 5 is now solved. Okay. So, let's start our new lesson. Lesson number 6. Persons associated with. First person is Muhammad Ali. He was boxer. Muhammad Ali was an American professional boxer. His nickname is the Greatest. He is first fighter to win the World Heavyweight Championship on 3 separate occasions. Next, Ruskin Bond. He was famous children author. Ruskin Bond, he is one of India's most loved children's writer. His best books are Times with Uncle Ken, The Day Grandfather Tickled a Tiger, The Blue Umbrella, Time Stops at Shamili, When Darkness Falls, The Night Train at Doily, and the most famous book is The Room on the Roof. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award, Padma Shri Award, and Padma Bhushan Award. Next person, Michael Jackson, who was king of pop. Michael Joseph Jackson was an American singer, songwriter, and dancer. He debuted the King of Pop. He is regarded as one of the most significant culture figures of 20th century. He was best ever toe stand, best ever moonwalk, and best ever anti-gravity step. The king of pop, Michael Jackson, was an inventor and received a United States patent in 1993 for an invention titled Method and Means for Creating Anti-Gravity Isolation. Next person, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, the nun who became a saint. During her lifetime, Mother Teresa became famous as a Catholic nun who dedicated her life to caring for the poor people. Mother Teresa chose to serve the poorest of the poor and to live among them and like them. See, she showed beauty in every human being. Mother Teresa accomplishment were that she was known for being humanitarian and an advocate for the poor and helpless. Next person is Amitabh Bachchan, who is an actor. Amitabh Bachchan is an Indian film actor, film producer, television host, occasional playback singer, and former politician. He first gained popularity in the early 1970s for films such as Zanjeer, Diwar and Sholay, and was debuted India's Angry Young Man for his one screen role in Bollywood. He has award-winning performance to his credit, and his films like Zanjeer, Amar Akbar Anthony, Namak Haram, Diwar, Anand, Abhiman, Sharabi, Sholay are iconic films. Now, next person is Sachin Tendulkar, who is cricketer in our Indian cricket team. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is a former international cricketer from India and a former captain of the Indian national team. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. The god of cricket, master blaster for millions of people worldwide, Sachin Tendulkar is an icon. He was the sport's first batsman to score a double century in a single one-day international match. Next person is Sonu Nigam, who is playback singer. Sonu Nigam is an Indian singer and composer. He is widely regarded as one of the best Bollywood singers of all time. Sonu Nigam began his singing career at the age of 4. When he joined his father, Agam Kumar, on stage to sing Mohammad Rafi's song, Kya Hua Tera Wada. He has recorded romantic, rock, sad, devotional, ghazal, and many other songs. He has sung in Hindi, Odia, Bengali, English, Gujarati, Kannada, Marathi, Malayalam, Tamil, Nepali, Telugu, and many other languages. Next person is Cristiano Ronaldo, who is footballer. Cristiano Ronaldo is mainly known for footballing activities. His non-stop goals, hat-tricks, trophies, and broken records Cristiano Ronaldo is a professional soccer player who has set records while playing for the Manchester United, Real Madrid and Juventus clubs, as well as the Portuguese team. Next person, Ratan Tata. He is industrialist person. Ratan Tata is one of India's most famous businessmen. He headed the Tata Group. Ratan Tata's first job was at the Tata Steel, which he took up in the year 1961. And then many other companies like Tata Motors, Tata Powers and much more. Next person, Barack Obama. Who is politician? Barack Hussein Obama is an American politician who served as the 44th President of the United States from 2009 to 2017. A member of the Democratic Party, Barack Obama was the first African American President of the United States. Next person is Vishwanathan Anand. He is world champion in chess. Vishy, his nickname. Vishwanath Anand is an Indian chess grandmaster and former world chess champion. He became the first grandmaster from India in 1988. Anand is a 5-time world chess champion. He also known as Tiger of Madras. Next person is Kalpana Chawla, who was an astronaut. Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut, engineer, and the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. Next person is Roger Federer, who is tennis player. He is a Swiss professional tennis player who is ranked world number 4 in men's singles tennis by the Association of Tennis Professionals. Next person is Saina Nehwal, who is badminton player. Saina Nehwal is an Indian professional badminton singles player. A former world number 1, she has won over 24 international titles. Which includes 11 Super Series titles. Although she reached the world's second in the 2009, it was only in 2015 that she was able to attain the world number 1. Next person is Charles Babbage, who was father of computer. Charles Babbage is regarded as the father of computing because of his research into machines that could calculate. Babbage difference engine number 1 was the first device that could calculate and print mathematical tables. Next person, Abhinav Bindra, who is sharpshooter. Abhinav Bindra is an Indian athlete and businessman. He is best known as the current world and Olympic champion in the 10-meter air rifle event. At the Beijing Olympic Games, he became the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal. So, now I'll repeat all the lesson number 6. Okay? Muhammad Ali, who is a boxer. Next, Ruskin Bond, famous author. Next, Michael Jackson, pop music. Mother Teresa, peace and charity. Amitabh Bachchan, actor. Sachin Tendulkar, cricketer. Sonu Nigam, playback singer, singing. Cristiano Ronaldo, football. Ratan Tata, industrialist. Barack Obama, politician. Vishwanathan Anand, chess. Kalpana Chawla, astronaut. Roger Federer, tennis player. Saina Nehwal, badminton player. Charles Babbage, computer, father of computer. Abhinav Bindra, shooting. Okay, so now our lesson number 6 is complete, and I will send you homework in our WhatsApp group. Okay, see you in our next lecture. Bye bye, take care. Thank you everyone.